Samsung just dropped a new mid-range beast, the Galaxy M56 5G, and it's turning heads with 6 years of Android updates, super fast charging, and a sleek design that's hard to ignore. Want to know what's packed inside this slim powerhouse? Let's break it down. The Galaxy M56 5G has officially launched in India, and it comes with Android 15 right out of the box, running Samsung's custom One UI 7. But the big highlight, Samsung promises 6 full Android upgrades and long-term security updates with this device. That's pretty rare in this price segment. Let's talk design. The phone is just 7.2 millimeters thin and weighs only 180 grams, making it one of the thinnest in its category. On the front, you get a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. Perfect for binge watching and gaming. While Samsung hasn't officially named the processor, it's expected to be a powerful Exynos chip under the hood. The phone comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, which is expandable for those who need extra space. On the camera front, the Galaxy M56 sports a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. For selfies, you get a sharp 12-megapixel front camera. Plus, Samsung is adding AI features like object eraser and smart editing tools right into the gallery. Battery life won't be an issue here. The M56 packs a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, so you can top it up quickly and keep going without stress. Now let's talk price. The Samsung Galaxy M56 5G starts at just 24,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB variant. It will be available starting April 23rd. Across Samsung's online and offline stores. So, is the Galaxy M56 5G the best mid-range phone of 2025? With its premium display, long-term updates, and solid battery, it's definitely a strong contender. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.